In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a folder inside of GitLab. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up GitLab like you usually would and then log into your account. Now from here, it should look something like this. And let's just be frankly honest to say, there is no such thing as specific folders inside of GitLab. It is more known as a directory. So this video is showcasing how to create one of those. But a directory and a folder is essentially the same thing. So from here, you'll need to, of course, open up GitLab. And from here, you'll need to find a specific project that you want to create this folder/directory for. Once from here, you'll need to click on it like so. And once from here, you get inside of the project, it should look something like this. Now from here, under your name here, you'll be able to see this plus icon. And from here, once you pull this up, you'll see new directory. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on that. And then from here, you'll need to add in a directory name. So just call it test1. And you can add a commit message here. And down here, you can also add it to a specific branch if you want to do that. But you can either commit it to the main branch or commit it to a new branch by clicking right here and adding the branch URL to this specific part here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click commit changes. And from here, the directory will open up, or the folder will open up. From here, you can just add it to a new file and upload the files by either new file or upload file down here. You can also click and add a folder inside of this specific directory or folder by clicking on new directory. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!